October 2019 through March 15, 2020 was the start of a typical fiscal year for the Columbus Public Library. As usual, the library was a bustling place, hosting weekly and monthly programs for all ages. The library then followed the lead of local schools and closed to the public on March 16, 2020 in response to COVID-19. Our services during COVID-19 shutdown included access to reading material and information via our digital library resources, phone and email assistance for digital library access and reference questions, a print and mail service for patrons who needed the library's computer lab for printing documents, and contact-free curbside service was launched April 9th. That was used 662 times in May and June. The City of Columbus offered a grocery order and delivery program through Columbus Hy-Vee during April, May, and June. Library staff assisted employees from other city departments with placing and delivering orders. The library building reopened June 22nd with limited hours and services, which continue to fluctuate based on local health guidelines and the statewide directive health measures. Before closing the library in response to COVID-19, the library engaged with the community to relaunch a project to build a new library and community building. This project, of course, expanded into that community building as we conducted surveys. After a successful educational campaign, voters approved issuing bonds for the community building on November 3rd, 2020. Rural Platte County residents voted to end library and bookmobile services to rural residents. So overall, the library had a positive impact this year in the lives of our community members. Countless library patrons expressed their gratitude when curbside service began and when the library building opened, so they could once again access entertainment and educational resources. This year had its difficulties, of course, but we were glad to be a part of making it a little bit more bearable for our community. Whether it was finding the perfect books and movies to entertain the kids so mom and dad could work at home, or bringing joy to someone's lonely summer without their grandchildren. The library continued to serve the community in quiet, impactful ways. Those moments fulfill our mission to connect people with ideas, something we did every day, and we thank Columbus for another fantastic year.